Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tiff, back again with another video. This video, I decided to do me a minor seafood boil. I've been MIA for a little bit. I've been busy. I've been so busy. I've been gymming. I've been going to the gym. I've been working out a little bit. Just been partying. Just having a good old time. But I'm back now. I'm back. So anyway, I got sausages. My first time trying squid. I got me some squid. I eat octopus. Yeah, look at that. Trying squid. Tastes flabby. I got crawfishes. And some snow crab. Sausages. And let me tell you what happened to my eggs. Yeah, my eggs. I was boiling them. Look at that. I was boiling them. I walked away. Came back. They were burnt. So I had to do a little something to give them. See, they don't even look right. But it's going to get ate today. That's so good. Look at that tail. Look. Oh, and this is butter. Seafood is the best. Well, golly. Look, the kids come home, they gonna smell seafood. They gonna be so mad at me. Cause I ain't cooking enough. And I ain't leaving nothing. And they better hope don't eat all this. But the way how I feel right now, ooh, yeah. That baby there. Yeah, I've been so busy. I was like, I gotta do me a video. I done fell in love with YouTube. I gotta do a video. Every time I say I need to do a video, something comes up. It's time to party. It's time to have fun. It's time to hang out with the friends. Today I made it my business. I'm doing me a video. Oh, these are green onions. I eat them by themselves. Alright now. Can't be losing no meat. Especially seafood. And I said I had to do me a video. I just couldn't take it no more. I'm like 2 weeks behind. Mm. Mm. Whoop, there go the head. Suck that mug. I'm talking about. And then it's so spicy. Just how I like it. You know, when you do a seafood boil for yourself, you can season it how you want to. Versus when you're doing it for the family, it have to be mild, because some people like hot, some folks don't like hot, some folks don't like seasoning at all. Let me put the sausage in here. Let's see. Ooh, that thing won't fit in that hole. Oh, there we go. Push that up in there. Mm-hmm. Oh, Lord, I forgot about my little eggs. You know, the eggs are the best part. That's what makes the seafood. Let's see if I can get it. Oh. Ooh, look at that. child, when my kids and my husband see this video, they're gonna be so mad. I'm on here pigging out. Oh, excuse me. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm, mm. I don't think I'm gonna edit this video. I'm just gonna post as it is. We're gonna leave it like that. Because I got things to do. I'm just joking. Don't make fun of my bumps. What they call them, period bumps, horny bumps. I don't know if I'm getting full. I'm just tired of chewing. Oh, I seasoned this so good. Ooh. There's some good water. Or fruit, water, juice, something. This is so good. That is so good. Like they came out with something then. That's so good. Y'all better try them. Better get on it. Golly, I just messed this one all up. Come out of there. I think I'm getting full now. I'm starting to get full. I feel it. I'm getting so full. I guess the girls will have something to eat later on. I'm full. Meat popping everywhere. I'm gonna eat the last little bit of this squid. I think that's gonna be all. I'm gonna eat this last crawfish here. And do that. Well, we up out of here. Y'all have to catch me on the next video. I'm full. I can't eat no more. On another note, get some of this clear fruit juice water. This is so good. But yeah. Peace.